Hello everyone, this is Prithviraj. Welcome to the session. Today's topic is Hamiltonian cycle under 5th module backtracking. First of all, let us see what we mean by Hamiltonian cycle. Hamiltonian cycle is a cycle that traverses all the vertices of a given graph exactly once and ends at the same vertex. If you start from one place and finally you have to visit to the same place by visiting all other remaining places in between. So that is called as a Hamiltonian cycle, and sometimes it is also called as Hamiltonian circuit. Hamiltonian problem that involves checking if Hamiltonian cycle is present in a given graph or not. It uses backtracking approach. Let us take a few examples and just to identify whether it contains Hamiltonian cycle or not. As per our discussion, Hamiltonian cycle means if we start from one vertex and finally we have to reach to the same vertex by visiting all other remaining vertices of a given graph. Now for figure A, Hamiltonian cycle is not possible because if you start from any of the vertex, then you may visit to the same vertex, but some of the vertices will be pending, so that we can't cover all the vertices of that graph. In figure B, again Hamiltonian cycle is not possible because uh, if you start from vertex A, then you may visit to vertex B. From B, you may visit to C. But again, if you want to visit vertex D, then you have to pass through B. But according to the rules, we can visit the number of vertices exactly once. So Hamiltonian cycle is not possible in second figure. For third figure, Hamiltonian cycle is possible because you have a multiple path. So by using that path, we can start from one vertex and we can visit all other remaining vertices, and finally we can visit to the same vertex once again. In D, again Hamiltonian cycle is possible. You can trace it out by yourself so that you can start from one vertex and you can reach to the same vertex. So in figure E, Hamiltonian cycle is not possible. Again, in last figure F, Hamiltonian cycle is possible because we have different paths using which we can visit to the starting point. Let us take one simple problem. Consider the following graph and verify whether it has a Hamiltonian cycle or not by applying the backtracking method. This is a given graph. Let us take the root node or root vertex as 1. So we'll start with the root vertex. For example, we'll take the root vertex as 1. That vertex is adjacent to the number of vertices like 2, 3 and 4. So let us consider 2 in order. Initially we will take the root vertex as 1. Adjacent to 1 is 2, 3 and 4. We'll take 2. Now for 2, adjacent vertices are 1, 3 and 4, but 1 is already visited and remaining two vertices are 3 and 4. So in order, let us take next vertex as 3. So from 2, let us take 3. After 3, see, for 3 adjacent vertices are 2 and 1, but both are already visited. So we are at the dead end because it is not possible to visit vertex 4 if you go in this way. Next, what you have to do is we have to backtrack. We have to backtrack to previous node and explore other possibilities. Let us go back to the previous node, and for 2, one more adjacent node was 4. So let us take 4. Now for 4, adjacent vertices are 1 and 2. Both are visited. So again we are at the dead end. It is not possible to visit vertex 3. So again we have to go back to the previous node. That means from 1 again we have to backtrack to node 1 and we have to explore other possibilities. From 1 select the vertex 3 because we had 3 adjacent vertices 2, 3 and 4. If you consider a vertex 2, then we will reach to the dead end. Instead of that, let us take vertex as 3. From 1 let us take 3. For 3 adjacent 1 and 2, 1 is already visited, let us take second vertex as 2. From 3 next vertex as 2. After this, now we are at 2. For 2 adjacent vertices are 1, 3 and 4, but 1 and 3 is already visited, so next vertex is 4. For 4 adjacent vertices are 1 and 2, but both 1 and 2 are visited. So that's it, we have visited all the nodes, and from 4 to 1 edge that indicates that there exists a Hamiltonian cycle in a given graph. We have one more possibilities by considering one more vertex from 1, that is vertex 4. If you start like this, from 1 choose 4, and from 4 can visit to 2, from 2 we can visit to 3, and we have an edge from 3 to 1. So that indicates that Hamiltonian cycle is possible for this given graph. And with this state diagram we can easily identify whether Hamiltonian cycle is possible or not. Another problem here, again we have to identify whether Hamiltonian cycle can be possible or not. Start from A. Next vertex is B because adjacent to A is B. Now adjacent to B is C, D and E. So in order we'll take C. Now if you take C, we'll reach to dead end. So we have to apply backtrack. So we'll go back to the previous node, that is B. So from B let us visit to one more vertex D, but again we will reach to dead end. So again backtrack, we have one more adjacent vertex, that is E. So if I take E, again I will go to dead end. So that's it, because in any of the possibilities it is not possible to traverse all the vertices exactly once. So that indicates that Hamiltonian cycle is not present for this given graph. This is a problem for you. You have to identify whether Hamiltonian cycle is present or not. Thank you.